dug my way out of the, it was 2 feet. It was up to, up past where that little carriage is there. That's where it was. I had to push my way through and dig my way down. And down here, this is where my driveway is. And that's there. And we are at 33 inches. Looks like it, about 33 inches. Well, then it gets bigger over there. As you can see, it's practically covering that car up. Here's a car. That's all covered up. Another car. Yeah, I gotta make my way to the garage. Get the snowblower at some point.